A very good morning, students. In this video, I'm going to explain activity-based costing problem number 2 for 14 marks. And this question was asked in the year 2018 question paper, Bangalore University. So let's go through the problem. The budgeted overhead and cost driver volumes of SA Limited as follows. And they're given total 5 different types of cost activities. The first one, material procurement cost, then machine setup cost, and cost of maintenance, and quality control cost, and cost of machinery. So these are the cost incurred to produce the products, and these cost based on these drivers. So material procurement is based on the number of material orders, and machine setups based on number of setups, and maintenance cost based on number of maintenance hours, and quality control based on the number of inspections, and machinery cost based on the total number of machine hours. So the data as given as follows. Now the company has produced a batch of 2500 components of X, which means the company manufacturing 2500 units of product X, and its material cost was rupees 1,50,000 and labor cost was rupees 2 lakh. And the usage of activities of this batch are as follows. Material order 20, which means to produce 2500 components, the number of material orders will be 20, and the number of setup of machines 22, and maintenance hours 560, and number of inspections 25, and machine hours 1500. So this data which were incurred to manufacture 2500 components of product X. Now go through the solution. So here we have to calculate first cost driver rate. Then we have to calculate the cost of the batch and also the cost of the component. Nothing but the total cost of the product and the cost per unit that we have to calculate in this problem. So first calculate cost driver data. So this is the solution for calculation for activity driver rate. So cost pool and budgeted overhead, cost driver and budgeted volume. So this data were given in the problem. Now we have to calculate driver rates. So material procurement cost is 3,95,000. That is based on number of orders. Number of order is 850. Now cost per order is 464 rupee 0.70 paisa per order. Now the cost of machine setup is 3,60,000, and this cost is based on the total number of setups. The total number of setup is 400. Now 3,60,000 divided by 400. So cost per setup will be rupees 900. Now the cost of maintenance is 2 lakh, and that is based on maintenance hours. Maintenance hour is 3,100. So 2 lakh divided by 3,100. Now the cost per hour is 64 rupee 50 paisa. Now the cost of quality control is 1,60,000. That is based on number of inspections, that is 800. So 1,60,000 divided by 800. So it will be rupees 200 per inspection. Now the last one, cost of machinery. Here the cost of machinery is 4,50,000, and this cost is based on the total number of machine hours. So here the total number of machine hour is 26,000. So 4,50,000 divided by 26,000, you will get 17 rupee 30 paisa per machine hour. So here we have calculated activity driver rate. So this activity driver rate, the calculation of this activity driver rate is very simple. Just divide cost pool by cost driver. You will get the driver rate. Now next we have to calculate, we have to prepare the cost sheet under ABC method. So while preparing cost sheet, first consider direct material and direct labor. So in this problem, the material cost is, how much the material cost? The material cost is 1,50,000 and the labor cost is 2 lakh rupees. So 1,50,000 is the material cost and labor cost is 2 lakh rupees. So direct material cost and direct labor cost is over. That we have considered in cost sheet. Next, move on to activities. So in this problem, there are total 5 activities were noticed. So the first activity is material procurement. So here material procurement is based on total number of order, and in this problem the total number of material order is 20 to produce this 2500 component. The material order is so much? 20. So 20 material order. So material order is 20. And what's the cost per order? That we have calculated here. The cost per order is so much? 464 rupee 70 paisa. So the cost of material procurement is 9,294 rupees. The next one, the next activity is machine setup. So machine setup is based on number of setups, and here the total number of setups will be 22. So here 22 multiplied by what's the cost per setup? The cost per setup will be 900 rupees. Rupees 900 is the cost per setup. So you will get 19,800 rupees. The next activity is maintenance cost. So here the maintenance cost that is based on number of maintenance hours. So here the total number of maintenance hours will be 560. So 560 multiplied by the cost per maintenance hour will be 64 rupee 50 paisa. So multiplied by with 64 rupee 50 paisa, you will get 36,120 rupees. The next activity is cost of quality control. So here the cost of quality control is based on number of inspection. So here the number of inspections will be 25. So take 25 multiplied by with what's the cost of per inspection? The cost of per inspection is 200 rupees. So multiplied by with 200 rupees, you will get 5,000 rupees. Now the last activity is the cost of machinery. So here the cost of machinery is based on total number of machine hours. So in this problem the total number of machine hour is 1,500 to produce this 2,500 components. How much? The total number of machine hours 1,500. So 1,500 multiplied by what's the cost per machine hour? The cost per machine hour is 17 rupee 30 paisa per machine hour. So multiplied by with 17 rupee 30 paisa. So you will get 25,950. Now make total. So total will be 4,46,164 rupees. This total cost is 4,46,164 rupees incurred to produce 2,500 component. In this problem, the total number of components or the total number of units produced is 2,500 components. So 4,46,164 rupees cost incurred to produce 2,500 units or components. Then what's the cost per unit? So in order to calculate cost per unit, divide total cost by number of units. You will get the cost per one unit will be 178 rupee 40 paisa. This is the cost per one unit. So this is a solution for problem number 2, which was asked in the year 2018 question paper for 14 marks. It's a very simple calculation. So first calculate activity driver rate, then prepare cost sheet under ABC system. So this is the solution for 14 marks problem.